say Wike don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you know what I do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Tinubu will be like, I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wike, we just come. Hey, everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. You can call him Jaga. Imagine if Bona just call Odumodu. Say Alpha, say black native. Say what's it say black native. Say Odogu, and the guy I don't know how they talk, whether the thing they work with his face, just watch my face. Odogu that guy fuck up. That guy fuck up. More let that guy know. Imagine if Bona and Odumodu enter studio, drop that song. He go enter number 1. I don't really sabi sing like Bona, but I try small. More try. All in favor, say hi. The song will come be Lambo for Lamba. Or Lamba for Lambo. DJ, drop on. So if I stand here, I'll be Bona, but if I stand here, I'll be Dumeji. Volume. That guy didn't enter my head. My nickname is Papi. They call me Bona. Black, native. Bona, we just start. Say, this girl for long I've been chasing. Finally she christened me quickly. Down night the team be like film trick. Bona. Ah, baby, ah, cow. She say make a buy am cow. Ah, baby, ah, cow. Yeah. She said before we collabo, I go pay for a Lambo. Amy omo ego. I tell her me she no worry you, brother. Surely collabo, Lambo, Lamba for Lambo, only collabo, Lambo, Lamba for Lambo. Surely collabo, Lambo, Lamba for Lambo. She say if you no be Lamborghini, she no dey gree. For tatata we no sweet. Big color industry machine. As you dey drive the daddy, I say make she come over. I come over, she come over, all over. She say big color, we make her. Allegedly this is all over. Surely, DJ big color. Yeah. Yeah, Davi. Very good. This is our work. We have to keep to date. My pastor must not see that joke. Experience is gone. Because this country don't ready. Country where they're supposed to share. This country is really laughing talk. Because country where they're supposed to share map for different country. They share for only Nigeria. Only we country we get very dark man, Portable, Bobrisky, Odumeji. Inside one country, all of us want to wear. Only for this country, basically go carry the English set up the shout don't play. Or you gonna learn? You gonna learn the hard way. This same country, we not do Mother's Day last year because Mommy of Lagos go jail. Everybody now another person with the craze for this country. Now Akpe. If you come this show now, tell M.O.P. I want to talk to your head. Inside my head. Akpe. That won't go. Another crazy guy for this country. Now DJ Chicken. If that guy come here now, he no go same place. We can't get one pastor where they follow them Chris. Odumeje. If that one come here, hey boy, I'm the lioness chef. Who you are you from? You call it, hey boy. I'm not a comedian. Where I like that when he speak one English, can't correct himself. For example now, I'm not a comedian. Hey, comedians quoi? Hey, comedians. Le plan la mande is power. Le faire séparer is power. I'm in the Boski. All of us don't join court, we don't know. The craziest of them on a portable. Like if you come this or now, look M.O.P. You there? The guy there. Guy me come and sango. Man come and give me 2 minutes. Oh, this guy here. I will say portable with big brother. Now that the big brother will come outside. You go here. Portable. Report to the diary. Yeah. Portable na go leave away police come arrest the sick. They say bring him to the station. He said you don't arrest me for sango. You know what I mean? Portable get 15 albums. You don't remember lyrics. If you come here now, you go here. M.O.P. He dey sing. I don't know wetin I do. You go collect bisa. Who go help? And I can use everything they trend. Last week, they put him as wanted. He talk again. I'm not a criminal. I'm wanted. Brother, everybody went there know my story as a comedian. I went from grass to grace. People pray for me. But I know Ejibo. Yes, now my former tenants with that. I used to stay with my parents, but now my parents. And because I get people who pray for me. Tell me, say, Kennyblaq, if you keep doing what you are doing, people will call you. People like AY pray for me. I know they say amen to every prayer. When I saw my landlord pray for my cousin, say you are going places. Till today, we don't know where the guy did. The guy just walk up and down. I say, where you did? He say, I did places, but no get address. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kennyblaq, president will call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportune to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I never follow talk. Now Donald Trump, because I know the year which they talk. I'm going to make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not going to win. Say, well, we know, we know that everybody in Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home, they're coming home. But when you pray for me, say, President will call you very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't fear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did I speak? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what we can come with Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do the event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear, hold on for the president, I just hear, as I crash this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, thank you, sir. He said, Kennyblaq, when you do a town hall. Different from. All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, you know, say Wike don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not going to talk about how you know that do here. I'm not doing anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. I don't know how to do it. I've never sung a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wike will just come. Everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kennyblaq, president, we call you. Ha! I say amen. I've been opportune to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I want to follow talk. Now Donald Trump, because I know the year with they talk. I'm gonna make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not gonna win. Say, we know. We know that everybody in Nigeria are coming home. Yes, they are coming home. They're coming home. But when he pray for me, say, President, go call you, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't fear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When does that speed work right here? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what want to buy? We can come with Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do the event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the president, I just hear, as I crack this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, I said, who is this? He said, what do you want to I said, thank you, sir. He said, Kennyblaq, what do you want to do at town hall? Different from. All of us don't die like this. I am looking for someone to satisfy me. Looking for someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me true. Single ladies, if you are here, make some noise, oh. Wave at me. I don't see why. What more can I do? Fine girl, what is your name, oh? What is your name? Well, yeah, you. Amarachi. Amarachi Kennyblaq, 2025. Amarachi, what do you want for Easter? What should I buy for you? Lambo. Eba mi kidele. Ole. Eba mi, even me ati de dabra fon. Lambo. And now Bakari me come. Amarachi, thunder fire. You know the best. DJ, bring it down. Are you guys in Lagos? Make some noise. You know even the fear. Lambo go, la money. Wow, it's good to be here to support M.O.P. M.O.P. is my brother from way back, and I'm happy to see him do this. Amarachi Lambo. I just say, the name Amarachi, not be Sophia, Lambo. Do you even have a land? Lambo.